Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2023 Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, dual rear wheels, tires, front all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.